In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept a Google Calendar invite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to respond from Gmail, directly in Google Calendar, and on your phone, plus a quick tip for adding a note to the organizer so everyone stays on the same page. Let's start on desktop inside Gmail. Open your inbox and look for the email with a subject line that begins with invitation, followed by the event name. This is the official invite. Open it, and you'll see three response options right in the message: yes, maybe, or no. Click the one that reflects your availability. If you choose yes, the event is automatically added to your Google Calendar with the current date, time, and details provided by the organizer. Maybe lets the organizer know you're unsure, and no declines the invite. There's nothing else you need to do. Your response is recorded immediately, and the organizer will be notified. If you prefer to respond from Google Calendar on desktop, head to calendar.google.com in your browser. Navigate to the date the event was scheduled for, and find the event on your calendar grid. Click the event to open its details, and you'll see the same three options: yes, maybe, or no. Select your choice, and your response is automatically sent to the organizer, just like in Gmail. This method is handy when you're already reviewing your calendar and want to confirm availability at a glance. On mobile, it's just as simple. Open the Google Calendar app on your Android phone or iPhone, tap the event, and choose yes, maybe, or no. Your response is sent instantly, and if you tapped yes, the event appears in your calendar view right away. You can also accept directly from the Gmail app using the RSVP buttons in the invite email, which works the same way as on desktop. If you want to share a quick note with the organizer, you can add a message as you respond. Look for the Add a Message option before you send your reply. Type your note, something short and helpful like, "I'll join 10 minutes early," and tap Send. This keeps your confirmation and context together for the organizer. After you accept, the event is added to your calendar. You'll receive reminders if you have notifications enabled, and the organizer will see your response status. That's all there is to it. Now you can accept invites quickly from anywhere and keep your schedule up to date.